Like Quinn, y'all hear me knocking, well, let me in. See YouTube. Just watch that bad boy off. Pressure hose. Motherfucking little detail. And the water burn off of that now. Alright, man, you gonna keep this bad boy running. Took the AC compressor off of it too. Man, it feels good without the weight since I wasn't using that big heavy bracket. Thing must have weighed about 30 pounds. Yeah, man. I got the new paint, can of paint, General Motors blue. So I'm gonna clean all the heads off. Paint all that over the spark plugs and spark plug wires and put new wires and spark plugs on it. Just get that blue on there before I start putting on the intake manifold, Edelbrock, and then the chrome intake manifold valve cover. Yeah, y'all can see that General Motors blue now, man. Even cleaned that cross member frame down now. Tomorrow I gotta take this bump off and redo the gasket. I got a little leak underneath. Cleaned it up real good. Paint that with General Motors blue, so I ain't gotta worry about that. Alright, YouTube, over now.